damaged iPhone 6 Plus, you could get a free iPhone 6s Plus upgrade. If you have a damaged iPhone 6 Plus, you may qualify for more than a simple replacement. According to an internal company memo spotted by MacRumors, Apple is allowing iPhone 6 Plus models that qualify for a whole device replacement to be substituted by the iPhone 6s Plus. The memo obtained by MacRumors reportedly says, orders for whole unit service inventory of some iPhone 6 Plus models may be substituted to an iPhone 6s Plus until the end of March 2018. Apple notably does not specify which iPhone 6 Plus models are eligible for the free upgrade. The free upgrade likely relates to the company's current shortage of iPhone 6 Plus battery replacements. See also, Tim Cook says users will be able to turn off iPhone slowdown feature if you have an iPhone 6 Plus with defective hardware such as a faulty lightning connector or faulty logic board or anything else. You'll more likely qualify for the free upgrade. Please note, Apple and its service partners can typically replace batteries, speakers, rear cameras, and the Taptic engine without needing to replace the whole device, so keep this in mind if you're trying to get the free upgrade. If you have a faulty iPhone 6 Plus, reach out to Apple support, make a Genius Spar appointment, or visit an authorized service provider. You could walk out with a free upgrade to the iPhone 6s Plus. We reached out to Apple for comment on the internal memo and upgrade eligibility, and we'll update this article as soon as we hear back.